Have you ever been out and about or maybe on vacation and looked down at your phone and realize that your phone is almost dead? Or you can find the power adapter that you brought to charge your phone, but you can't find the cable that goes along with it. Well, with this little device here, you never have to worry about that again. Meet the PowerCube, the ultimate EDC charging solution. It's a 4-in-1 hybrid charging device that features a 5,000 milliamp hour battery pack, a 20-watt charger, a built-in charging cable, and foldable phone stand. The integrated design saves you space and hassle of fumbling for power adapters and charging cables. A perfect travel essential to keep you powered up anywhere you go. Now, if you guys do want to pick this up, I would definitely act fast because right now you can get it at an early bird price. I'll put a link for this in the video description. Now, as you can see, it is pretty small and compact, just 4.2 inches long and only weighing 173 grams. Now, they chose a 5,000 milliamp hour battery because your typical phone doesn't have a bigger battery than that, and they wanted to keep it nice and small. Now, this also doubles as a 20-watt wall charger, and it also has a built-in AC wall plug to give you the flexibility when outside without having to bring additional cables and an adapter. If your smartphone needs more than a quick top-up or the battery itself is dead, simply fold out the AC pins and plug them into any standard outlet to begin charging. This charger also has pass-through charging as well, so you can charge the PowerCube and your device all at the same time. It'll automatically prioritize powering your device from a power outlet before charging itself. And when you go to order this, you can choose between a USB Type-C cable or a Lightning cable for iPhone accessories. And like I said before, you'll also never have to worry about losing your charging cable either, because this charger has an integrated strap that acts as the charging cable. It also has a built-in kickstand that you can use to prop up your phone so you can watch some YouTube videos, and you can also charge up your phone while you're watching too. There's also an external USB Type-C port that you can use to charge up to 2 devices at the same time. And depending on how big your phone's battery is, you should be able to charge it up almost about 1.5 times. This is also built with superior safety features, including battery overcharge protection, overcurrent protection, output over voltage protection, temperature control, short circuit protection, and more. Now, whether you choose the one that comes with the USB Type-C or the Lightning, you can always use them vice versa by using the external USB Type-C port. The cable's also made pretty well. It's covered in this nice nylon material to keep it from fraying. And as you can see, it sits pretty well inside the charger, and it's also easy to get out. All you need to do is pull up on the charging end, pull it out, and there you have your cable. Then when you want to push it back, you just simply push back the cable, pull on the strap, and then push it back into place. It's got a power button right here that also has built-in LEDs to let you know how much charge you have left. And I also like the folding power prongs, so you don't have to worry about getting them all bent if you happen to put it in your book bag or your purse. And you can also charge this up a couple different ways. You can either plug it directly into a wall socket, or you can charge it using the USB Type-C port on the top. So here I have my Galaxy Z Fold 5. I'm going to plug the power adapter into the bottom, and we'll see how fast we can charge. And as you can see, we do get those fast charging speeds. And then here we have a USB Type-C to Lightning cable that I'm going to use to charge up my iPhone. So as you can see, we're still charging the Z Fold 5, and I'm going to plug in my iPhone 14 Pro Max. And now as you can see, we're charging both devices at the same time. And like I mentioned before, it also has this little kickstand that folds out, so you can easily charge up your device and watch whatever you need to on your phone at the same time. So this is definitely a cool little device. I love the fact that it has a built-in charging cable that always stays with the unit. I can't tell you how many times I've had to lug around a couple power adapters and then try to find the charging cable to go along with it. Now, like I mentioned before, I will be putting the product link for this in the video description. And if you guys want to pick it up, I would definitely recommend going to pick it up now to take advantage of that early bird price. If you guys enjoyed the video, it'd really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.